Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Food Reviews. So we're finally doing Boston pizza. So here's the story. I got a request last week to do an item there. So I went online to check out this item and then I saw right away they have a new item. So by rule I have to do the new item first, and guess what it is? It's a chicken sandwich. All right, this is what it is. Okay, try our new honey-dill fried chicken sandwich. A buttermilk fried chicken breast topped with house-made honey-dill sauce, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and pickles on a brioche bun. Very original. Like, we haven't done this already a million times, but gotta try it out. Price-wise, not impressed. What do we got here? $17.99 came to $18.99 with tax. So. And the reason why is you have to get a side. I learned my lesson from not getting the side last time, so you have to get a side. I picked fries. I guess they're $10 fries, so they're probably amazing. Let's see what we got here. Okay, napkins, that's good. Alright, get that out of here. Okay. Oh yeah, so there's the $10 fries. Okay, now here's the star of the show. Okay. So there's bacon. Looks like they drizzled some of the honey dill sauce on there. Pickles, tomato, lettuce. And no more sauce underneath, but then there's a little bit of sauce on the top here. So there it is. I mean, it's a good size, but I mean, 18 bucks. Maybe the sauce is super delicious and this is totally worth it. Okay, then have a look inside. We'll try this thing out. I'll try the fries, the $10 fries. I gotta call it like it is. This is really good. It is really good. So, not happy about the price, but it is very good. That sauce on there is delicious. The honey dill, I love honey dill sauce, so it really works. Taste with the bacon. Yeah, I'll give it an 8. I guess we gotta give them a phone call for that price. Wow.
Hi there, how about pizza?
I was just in there and I got the new honey dill chicken sandwich. It's delicious. I love the honey dill sauce and it mixes nice with the bacon.
Oh, awesome. Good to hear.
Okay, right on. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, so it is a delicious sandwich. It's a little bittersweet because of the price, but I do recommend you try it at least once. I got no choice. It is a good sandwich. So 8 out of 10. We'll see you next time. Okay, bye.